I'm here presenting the question being asked by your friends to say I should post or come up with a video on how we can find the equation based on question 3 paper 2 internal 1 of 2023. So the question was saying find the equation of the curve for which divided by dx is equal to 12 x cubed minus 4x plus 5. First thing, at the point 0 comma negative 2. Now you can see that the question here, the main focus is to find the equation. That is our interest. Since it's to find the equation, now the first thing you must know is which part of calculus is this question coming from. In this case, you can see that this is integration. First thing, you integrate the given function, after which is this one. So we integrate it. After integrating it, it's going to give us this part as an integral. So this one, we come up with this one by following the procedures of calculus. Please, if in case, because there is a stage I have skipped here in between this one and this one, if how I came up with this form, if you still have challenges on how this form can come, we use this formula where x to the power n is equal to x to the power n plus 1 over n plus 1. So that is what we did, because our n in this case was 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. So that is the same 4 which is appearing here. Then minus, we do the same thing on this side and on that side. Now, and because this one is constant is having the value of what? I mean the variable of x, which is not appearing. Since it's not appearing, now this is where the drama is. Since is 5 to the power n plus 1 should be equal to n plus 1, I mean 1. So in this case, please, what we normally do is, since x is not appearing, we put it here, we add it, so it's 5x. Since it's not appearing, now the power will be 0 plus now 1, which is over 0 plus 1, which is giving us 5x over 1, which is the same as 5x. That is where now this 5 is this 5x is coming from. Now after you have come up with this integral, now is the next stage is to get where dy by dx, substitute it with y, because y is the same as is equal to dy by dx. These are the same things. So after doing that, then that is after just putting in, there is nothing much. You just put y here. After putting y, substitute the values. Now the coordinates, the coordinates being given here is 0, negative 2. So we substitute those coordinates into our integral. So integral is showing us this one. After substituting, now we are going to have this format here. This case, because this is 0, 0 times 3 is 0, minus 2 times 0 to the power, that one is 0. So even this one is 0, 0, 0.